The smallest ducklings, these three over here. Listen to them. They sound so different from the others. Cute. I hope they had enough food because I don't have any more left. I gave them all. Fine. Don't get afraid. Just got up. How beautiful they are. Hey. Hi, sweetheart. It looks like you had enough to eat. It does look like it. Yeah. Your tummies are filled up. Yeah, they are. It looks like they are. Hey, babies. Hi, ducklings. Sweet angels. Hi. Yeah. No more food left. Good night, sweethearts. Good night. Good night, baby duckling. You're coming to my bag. Good night, sweethearts. I love you. So beautiful. Good night.